A 120-point credit score increase can save thousands in interest over a loan's lifetime. Start by getting your free Vantage Score 3.0 from Credit Karma. This platform provides reports from TransUnion and Equifax, updating weekly. Open the app or website, create an account, and review your credit factors. This initial check shows your current standing. Next, use Experian's free service to check your FICO Score 8 and dispute any errors. Experian offers daily monitoring alerts for inquiries or new accounts, crucial for fraud protection. Navigate to Experian.com and sign up for a free account. To build payment history, consider a self-credit builder loan. You pay monthly and self-reports these payments to all 3 bureaus. For example, a $500 loan paid over 12 months costs about $9 to $15 in administrative fees. Apply for a self-credit builder loan online. A major factor is credit utilization, the amount of credit you use versus your total limit. Aim to keep this under 30%, preferably below 10%. For example, if you have a $1,000 limit, use less than $100. Pay down balances significantly before statement closing dates. Finally, use Experian Boost for non-credit account payments like utilities and Netflix to add positive data. This free service can instantly add points to your Experian FICO score. Connect your bank account to Experian Boost and select qualifying payments. This process can significantly improve your financial standing. Watch our next video on optimizing small business loans.